It's been almost a week since Issue 2 passed in the state of Arkansas, but one group is looking to challenge the state's ruling. 3 parties have presented a lawsuit against the state of Arkansas, arguing the current litigation of Issue 2. THV 11's Maya Ellison spoke with a legal expert to learn more about what this means for the state and what could happen next.
This is going to be a complicated, difficult issue to resolve in federal court. There's going to be a lot of briefing.
The conversation surrounding Issue 2 is not over. Last week, Arkansans voted in favor of the measure revoking Pope County's casino license and giving communities a say on future proposals. Not even a week later, the issue is already facing legal trouble and voters are wondering about more changes ahead.
I wouldn't think all of Issue 2 would be void. What I think would be voided is the part of Issue 2 that eliminated the Cherokee's license to run a casino in Pope County.
The Pope County casino license holder Cherokee Nation Businesses, Cherokee Nation Entertainment, and Jennifer McGill, a registered voter residing in Pope County, were named as plaintiffs in a lawsuit filed against the state on Friday. They're asking a federal judge to declare Issue 2 unconstitutional and block the amendment from taking effect on November 13th.
One type of argument is that the elimination of their license is simply unconstitutional under the federal Constitution, that it violates the Due Process Clause, that it violates the Equal Protection Clause, and that it violates the Takings Clause.
The lawsuit alleges the amendment violates the constitutional rights of plaintiffs, and plaintiffs will suffer irreparable harm if the amendment goes into effect. UA Little Rock professor of law Joshua Silverstein says one of 2 things could happen if they succeed.
Cherokee gets to keep the license. If the takings argument succeeds, then they wouldn't get to keep their license, but they'll at least get paid for losing it.
No matter what happens this week, one thing is for certain.
There was hope that this would be the end of it. That is not the case. We probably have additional years of litigation in front of us. So settle in for a continuing battle.
In Little Rock, Maya Ellison, THV 11 News.
All right, thank you, Maya. And that hearing will begin at 1:30 tomorrow in front of a judge, Prince Marshall. Late this afternoon, the Attorney General responded by saying the case should be dismissed. It cites the 11th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution that mostly bars states from getting sued in federal court.